Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class of science of class 5th. How are you all? I hope you all are fine there. Students, hello, your 3 classes of science is over. Today is your 4th class. Part 4th means today is your 4th lecture of science. In previous lecture, I have given you test paper, that revision test paper, and I told you that I will give you answer of the next video. So today I will give you test answers. And lesson number 2 explanation is remaining. That remaining explanation I will give you, and then I will give you book exercise. Today I will give you only book exercise answers, and question answers I will give you in 5th class. Students, before starting the exercise and all the things, I want to say something. I know that you all get one answer sheet with your book. Please, student, don't write any answer with that answer sheet which you got with your book, because that is not all correct. Some answers are correct but some are wrong. So you all have to write all the answers of the chapters from the video which I am giving you or other teachers are giving you. Don't tell your answer with that answer sheet which you got with your book. Now come on the test paper answers. Here I hope you all get my words that आपको कोई भी आंसर शीट से नहीं लिखना है जो आपको आपकी बुक से मिला है के साथ मिली है. आपको केवल आंसर सारे वीडियो से लिखने हैं जो हम वीडियो में आपको आंसर्स दे रहे हैं. दैट ऑल आंसर्स आर करेक्ट. वी ऑल आर सर्चिंग फ्रॉम द बुक, फ्रॉम इनसाइड द बुक, फ्रॉम द चैप्टर, एंड दैट ऑल आर करेक्ट. नाउ कम ऑन नेक्स्ट टेस्ट आंसर्स. हियर स्टूडेंट, this is the answer with the red marker. I have written here all the answers in the red color. Here you can see your first answer. In 1 minute the heartbeat 70 to 72 times. Now next, blood cells are include all of them, blood vessels, all of them. Here is the answer. You can see here is the answer of Phillips. The right ventricle receive deoxygenated blood from the right auricle. Next, hemoglobin give blood its red color. And true false here, plasma is a yellowish fluid. True. WBC help in blood clotting. It is wrong. The heart has 2 chamber. It is also wrong because heart has 4 chamber. And WBC help in the to fight against infection. Only platelets help in the blood clotting. So this is the answer of your test paper. And D, question answers. D is here. D, question answers here. How are arteries different from vein? So artery is here and the vein. You can tell your answer with your answers which are already given you. And here is the answer of name type of blood cells. I hope you all are able to see it clearly. Now take out your book and open page number, here page number 16. As you know, cartilage I have explained in my previous video. Now today I will explain you the ribs. First of all, you just read affect. Students, affect you all have to read yourself. That vertebrates are animals that have a backbone. Invertebrates are animals do not have a backbone. So animals those have backbone are called vertebrates, and those animals do not have backbone, they are called invertebrates. Now come on the ribs. Today I will start from here, the ribs. 12 pair of thin flat curved bones in the chest region form the rib cage. They are joined to backbone at the back. 10 pair are joined to the breastbone. Student, breastbone is also called your sternum in the front. The last 2 pair of ribs are not attached to the breastbone are called floating ribs. Underline this word, floating ribs. Last 2 pairs which are not joined to the breastbone, they are called floating ribs. Next, the rib cage protects the lungs and heart. So what is the function of rib cage? It protects lungs and heart. Now next, so this is the explanation of rib. These are 12 pair in our chest cavity. Make rib cage, 12 pair of bone. Now limbs are called hand limbs and forelimbs, arms and legs. लिम्स होते हैं जो हमारे पैर, और हैंड्स को कहते हैं लेग्स को, और हैंड्स को कहते हैं लिम्स. सो फर्स्ट इज द बोन ऑफ द लेग्स आर कॉल्ड हैंड लिम्स. द अपर बोन ऑफ द लेग हैज वन लॉन्ग बोन कॉल्ड फीमर. जो लेग होता है आपका, हेयर यू कैन सी द पिक्चर, तो अपर पार्ट होता है उसको कहते हैं हम फीमर. ए फीमर इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट बोन इन द बॉडी. द लोअर leg has the thin shine bone and calf bone. And the ankle and the foot have many small bones. There are 26 small bones in the ankle and the foot. So I have already explained you that 26 small bones in the ankle and the foot. So this is about the hind limb. Now come on, forelimb. Forelimb, our hand is called forelimb. Of the arms are called forelimbs. The upper arm has only one long bone called humerus. Students, I told you the upper bone of the leg is called femur, but the upper bone of arm means hand. Upper bone of arm, hand की जो upper bone होती है उसको कहते हैं हम humerus. So don't confuse between femur and humerus. Humerus is the upper bone of the hand and the femur is the upper bone of the leg. Now humerus, that is attached to the shoulder blade. Now the lower arm has two long bones. These are 27 bones in the wrist and hand. हमारे wrist और hand में total 27 small bone होती हैं और हमारी ankle और foot में 26 होती हैं. So don't confuse between it. Student, this is the explanation of your limbs. Now come on, joints. So joints. Even though the skeleton is hard and rigid, it can bend and move at the place where two bones are joined. So हमारा स्केलेटन हार्ड होता है, फिर भी कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट्स होते हैं जहाँ पर हम अपने बोन्स को बेंड कर सकते हैं. जॉइंट्स आर प्लेस वेयर टू बोन्स आर जॉइंड टुगेदर. तो जॉइंट्स क्या है? जॉइंट वो प्लेस है जहाँ पर दो बोन्स आपस में जुड़ी होती हैं. बोन्स आर हेल्ड टुगेदर एट द जॉइंट बाय स्ट्रेची बैंड कॉल्ड लिगामेंट्स. जब कोई बोन से जुड़ती है तो उसे कहते हैं लिगामेंट्स. एंड व्हेन मसल्स आर अटैच्ड टू द बोन, और जब मसल्स बोन से जुड़ती हैं तो उसको कहते हैं टेंडन्स. जिन टिश्यूज़ से मतलब मसल्स जुड़ी होती है उसको कहते हैं टेंडन्स. और दूसरा लिगामेंट जो बोन को बोन से जोड़ती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 17. हेयर काइंड ऑफ जॉइंट्स. फर्स्ट इज immovable joint. Depending on their movement, joints are classified into two groups: immovable and movable. Immovable joints that do not allow the movement of bones. ऐसे joint जो movements allow नहीं करते bone का उन्हें कहते हैं immovable joints. Example, skull of immovable, skull joints of skull. Next, movable joints. Joints that allow the movement of the bones are called movable joints. Joints that allow movement of bones are called movable joints. Cartilage is present between two movable joints. First example here means type of movable joints are here: hinge joint, ball socket joint, pivot joint, and then gliding joint. So first, hinge joint. The joint allow movement only in one direction, like the hinge of door. Your knee, elbow, finger and toes. So this is the example: knee joint, elbow joint. These are the example of hinge. Now next, ball and socket joint. So it is present in our shoulder and girdles. So here you can see this in the joint end of the bones in round like a ball, and it fit into the hollow socket of the other bone. This joint allow maximum movement in all direction. Your hip and shoulder have a ball and socket joint. Now joint. This joint allow movement sideways and up and down. This joint is the present between your skull and first two vertebrae. तो skull और two vertebrae के बीच में ये joint present होता है. This is called pivot joint. Now gliding joint. Now come on next, gliding joint. In this joint the bone can slide over each other. Your wrist and ankle have gliding joint. So these are the type of kind of joint: movable and immovable. And movable joints also of four type: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint and gliding joint. Now care of bones and joint. How can you care your bones and joint? Bone need regular exercise. Here you see, bone need regular exercise to stay healthy and in good shape. Regular exercise. Number 2, while sitting, standing, walking, a good posture must be maintained. हमेशा good posture में आपको बैठना, खड़ा होना और चलना चाहिए. Now next, having a food rich in calcium help to make the bone hard and strong. Milk and dairy product and rich in calcium. आपको अपनी बोन को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स लेनी चाहिए, क्योंकि उसमें क्या होता है? मिनरल होता है. वो मिनरल कैल्शियम होता है. that make our bones strong. So student, this is the explanation of your chapter lesson number 2. It is over. Now as I told you, we'll give you exercise now on your next page. Here's your next page, that is page number 18. Here you can see, first is quick recall. This you have to read yourself. This is a little summary about the chapter. Now new words. In this new words you have to learn all the new words. This is type of word meaning. Skeleton means the framework of the bone that form the body. Next, joint, a place where two bones meet. This is joint. Cartilage, a strong, elastic, flexible tissue. Ligament, I already explained you today. Strong tissue that hold bone together at joint. Bone को bone से जो tissue जोड़ता है उसे कहते हैं ligaments. And then tendons, जो muscles को जोड़ता है bone से उस tissue को कहते हैं tendons. Now come on, exercise, page number 18. Tick the correct answers. Your first question is, food rich in calcium is dairy product. I have ticked here. Now next, the upper bone of the leg is called femur. The bone of the upper arm is called humerus. And the number of vertebrae that make the spinal cord are 33. So students, I have already ticked with the red marker. You can see here, red tick. This is the answer. Now come on next page. Here you can see there the next page. The system that control all the function of the body is nervous system. So this is the answer of tick the correct. Here you can see. Now fill in the blanks. Now come on, see, fill in the blanks. Dash is the longest and strongest bone in the body, that is femur. The dash pair of ribs are called ribs, last two pairs. The dash joint is found elbow and knee, hinge joint. The skull protect the brain. The skull protect the brain. The lower jaw is the only movable part of the skull. 12 pair of the ribs form the rib cage. So this is the answer of your fill in the blanks. I hope you all are able to see it clearly. Now come on, match the following. Here, this is the match the following. Students, I have written alphabet at the right side of the column. You can see here. Here I have written alphabet according to this. You all have to write in this way only. Don't match with the line. Match the following. So your first is ball and socket joint, and the answer is shoulder. Gliding joint, answer is wrist. Rib cage, answer is heart. D, backbone, answer is spinal cord. Circulatory system, blood vessels, and the F, nervous system, is a brain. So this is the answer of match the following. So students, your exercise of this chapter is over. As I already told you, question answers I will give you in next class. Miss part 5th, I will give the question answers. It is sufficient for today. Yeah, today's homework is to learn the new words of this chapter. You all have to write and learn new words of this chapter, and book exercise also. A and B exercise, you all first and second exercise, tick the correct and fill in the blanks you have to learn, and please tally your answers of test paper. Okay students, it is sufficient for today. Thank you and have a nice day. I will meet you in next class.